One of the best places in Asia. 3 years in the making to make it all work, but here we are. Here's okay. Coming with a blanket and just laying and looking up, holding hands. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's nice to bring some magic in this orchestrated, over-curated, over-manicured reality. Yeah, and it relates to fireflies or flocks of birds or being underwater. Or the neurons in your brain trying to create a memory or an idea. It's like a cloud, huh? It keeps changing. The wind plays with it. Even I don't even know what's it doing sometimes. Sometimes it fades to black, right? So it just disappears. And it comes back in, like sort of breathing. I like being director. I like control, though it's an illusion. Yeah, and it's sort of cool that you have this huge, large-scale artwork. And this is a beautiful context because it's the 60 years anniversary of Singapore. It's interesting. People always have to get used to new ideas, right? And it's silent, it's biodegradable, it's soft.